Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese minced chicken satay, or we call it Sate Lilit Be Siap. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 340 grams of chicken breast, 100 grams of bumbu genep. If you would like to see the recipe how to make bumbu genep, please check the description. And also, later I'm going to use some salt, 65 ml of coconut milk, coconut oil, palm sugar, 30 grams of coconut meat, 5 kaffir lime leaf, limes just for garnish later, bamboo skewer, and cucumber as a side dishes. So let's make it. First thing I'm going to do is cut the kaffir lime leaf. So kaffir lime leaf will add the aroma, and I'm going to take this out, the middle of the leaf. Just roll it over and slice it thinly. And now I'm going to slice the coconut meat. And then now we're going to cut it small and put it aside. And now I'm going to cut the meat. Add to the food processor. Add the bumbu genep, coconut milk, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Let's blend it. I'm going to give a little stir. So this is the consistency you need. Really fine. So I'm going to add the coconut meat and kaffir lime leaf. The reason why I cut the coconut meat like this, because I quite like the sensation when I eat the minced chicken satay, because when you put the coconut milk like this, you can feel it, the texture. So let's mix it. If you have a party and you would like to serve this minced chicken satay, you can prepare in advance, like you prepare 4 hours before your party start, and you just keep in the fridge and grill it when is it your party start. And now I'm going to brush a little bit of coconut oil to the bowl. So the minced chicken satay not stick. And now I'm going to show you how to put it into the bamboo skewer. If you watch my video before how to make the minced fish satay, actually it's the same how to put the minced chicken satay to the bamboo skewer. And just take some of this and then put like this and squeeze it a little bit around. Yeah, that's it. So it's make about 20 pieces, and we're going to grill it now. So now let's turn on the heat. I'm going to brush a little bit of the coconut oil. When it's ready, we're going to add the chicken satay. Let's grill it. So let's turn it over. So here is, I need to explain that if you would like to use the grated coconut, it's absolutely fine too. So you don't have to use the one like I used today. It just depend on what would you like to use. It's a taste the same actually, it's just the texture is different. Now it's ready. I'm going to brush more coconut oil. So this is the last one. So while I'm waiting this ready, I'm going to cut the cucumber. So the chicken satay is ready. So here I have also some sambal matah that I made earlier, and we are going to plate the minced chicken satay now. And now I'm going to make a little bell from banana leaf. So I'm going to show you how to make the bell. So basically you cut the leaf into 4 lines like this, and here is 4 lines, and then just put it here. 1, then just fold down, up, fold again, down, up, down, up, and continuing until the end. So I just put aside like this, and now let's put the chicken satay. I'm not going to use it all, I'm going to use 10 pieces. And then let's put the bell. I'm going to tie it with the bamboo skewer. So basically it's like this. I'm going to add sambal mata. As always, it's a Balinese signature sambal. Goes everywhere with every Balinese food. Here we are, Balinese minced chicken satay. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I'll see you next time. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.